Today's topic: different kinds of social responsibility. Social responsibility of business can broadly be divided into four categories. The first one is economic responsibility. The second one is legal responsibility. Third one, ethical responsibility. And the fourth one is discretionary responsibility. What's the word meaning of economic responsibility? A business enterprise is basically an economic entity, and therefore its primary social responsibility is economic. That is, produce goods and services that society wants and sell them at a profit. Produce goods and service that society wants and sell them at a profit. There is little discretion in performing this responsibility. What's the word meaning of legal responsibility? Every business has a responsibility to operate within the laws of the land. LAWS, laws, Kanun, Niyam say. Since these laws are meant for the good of the society, a law-abiding enterprise is a socially responsible enterprise as well. What's the word meaning of ethical responsibility? Ethical responsibility includes the behavior of the firm that is expected by society. Behavior expected by society, but not codified in law. For example, respecting the religious sentiments and dignity of people while advertising for a product. There is an element of voluntary action in performing this responsibility. What is discretionary responsibility? This refers to purely voluntary obligation that an enterprise assumes, for instance, providing charitable contributions to education institutions or helping the affected people during floods or earthquakes. So it is the responsibility of the company management to safeguard the capital investment by avoiding speculative activity and undertaking only healthy business ventures which give good returns on investment. In continuation of that, we have social responsibility towards different interest groups. Which are these different interest groups? They are shareholders or owners. The second one is workers, towards the consumers, responsible towards the government and community. So we can see over here in the flow chart, the social responsibility towards different interest groups are shareholders or owners, towards workers, towards consumers, towards the government and community. Once the social objective of business is recognized, it's important to know to whom and for what the business and its management are responsible. A business unit has to decide in which areas it should carry out social goals. Some of the specific responsibilities are towards owners. A business enterprise has a responsibility to provide a fair return to the shareholders or owners on their capital investment and to ensure the safety of such investment. The corporate enterprise on a company form organization must also provide the shareholders with a regular, accurate, and full information about its working as well as schemes of future growth. The second point, responsibility towards the workers. The management of an organization is responsible for providing opportunities to the workers for meaningful work. It should try to create the right kind of working conditions so that it can win the cooperation of workers. The enterprise must respect the democratic rights of the workers to form unions. The worker must also be ensured a fair wage and fair deal from the management. Fair wage and fair deal. What about the responsibility towards the consumers? That is, supply of right quality and quantity of goods. Quality and quantity of goods and services to consumers at a reasonable prices constitutes the responsibility of an enterprise towards its customers. The enterprise must take proper precaution against adulteration, poor quality, lack of desired service, and courtesy to customers, misleading and dishonest advertising, and so on. So they must have the right to information about the product, the company, and the other matters having a bearing on their purchasing decision. Fourthly, we can see towards the government and community. An enterprise must respect the laws of the country and pay taxes regularly and honestly. It must behave as a good citizen and act according to the well-accepted values of the society. It must protect the natural environment and should avoid bad, effluent, smoky chimneys, ugly buildings, dirty working conditions. It must also develop a proper image in society through continuous interaction with various groups of people. So it's very clear that social responsibility towards different interest groups are shareholders, workers, consumers, government, and community. So today's assignment based on these topics distinguish between legal responsibility and ethical responsibility. Or the second one, distinguish between economic and discretionary, like that, or different kinds or types of social responsibility. What's the third question we are expecting? That is, what are the different interest groups and social responsibility towards different interest groups? Explain. Interest groups like, let it be government or community or consumers or workers, like that particular questions also we have, and towards honors like that 4 marks essay also. Combining all these value points, make the answer. Thank you. Take care.